Now I just saved almost $350 on this brand new Dell laptop. And I'm not talking about a sale, I'm talking about a hack after I found a killer price through a sale to get this machine at a great deal. You can do it too with just a little bit of effort. It's not very hard and pretty easy to do. Let me show you what the trick is. Now first, I had to find the computer that I wanted to buy. I knew that I wanted a Dell Latitude laptop. One great thing, I'll include a link down below. You can get a few extra bucks back. Rakuten saves me money all the time when I'm shopping. So the computer I found was the Latitude 5400. The base price is $719 today. I knew that I wanted at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, so that adds 104 bucks. And then I also knew that I wanted at least a 1 terabyte hard drive, an SSD hard drive. So another $330. So that gives me a total cost of $1,153. And this $1,153 is outside the price that I wanted to spend on the computer. So here's my trick. I'm going to downgrade this to a 128 gigabyte solid state hard drive, save $380 right there. Come back to the memory, and I'm going to downgrade that to a 4 gigabyte stick of memory, save $171. So that brings my cost down to $602. So obviously I've sacrificed quite a bit here, reducing my memory from 16 gigs to 4 gigs and my hard drive from 1 terabyte to 128 gigabytes. Now here's the trick. I'm going to go buy that myself. I'll include a link down here to Amazon. Appreciate it if you use that. So here's the Crucial store, and we've got memory upgrades right here, laptop memory. And it's $58. You can mess around with some different speeds. Another source you can go to. So you can select your computer and find the Dell Latitude. So now this conveniently shows me memory choices that I have. It also brings me to solid state hard drives. So I can cross-check this information and then go back here on Amazon and get it faster. Now the key thing here is making sure it's going to fit your computer. So here's a 1 terabyte hard drive for $99. That gives me a total purchase price of $810. What's my savings? I just saved $343. Dell conveniently has this whole service manual for some of their computers, and it's going to show me exactly how to do it. It gives me removing the memory module, some safety and key things before I work on the computer, remove a couple items, open the base cover, and it shows me very easily. I'll also put a video of this on my website showing how I remove the back and install the memory module and the hard drive, and then also cloning the hard drive to make sure it's going to work and have the operating system. That's an important step. Now it shows me as well how to install a solid state drive, and once again gives me kind of all the steps to do to actually get in and access this solid state drive. Notice this is an M.2 SSD slot. What's more, I can turn around and go sell this 128 gig hard drive, and if I wanted this 4 gig stick on eBay or something, probably pick up a few bucks and further save some money. So that's my trick on how to get a computer that costs over $1,100 for 800 bucks. Now that you've seen how easy it is to save money by getting a new hard drive and additional memory to drop into your new laptop, go check out my videos where I show how to install memory and a hard drive on a Dell Latitude laptop. Thanks so much for watching Tomahawk DIY, everyone, and have a great day.